Greetings, fellow traders. Bubble here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Wednesday, June the 24th, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's check and see where we left off in the market here today. So SPX down 80 points. So, just down 80 points. No big deal. So, monthly chart still green. Still green though, hanging on to that doji candle. Weekly chart still above the 30 weekly moving average inside week. Daily chart, a little bit of pullback there today. Off yesterday's shooting star, 1, 2, 3 upper shadows right here. To get a little downside movement today. Now, it took care of some closing gaps right here. It did find a little bit of support in the zone around the 200-day moving average, right? So there's buying pressure in a couple of these areas right here. So let's see if that holds going into tomorrow. Let's take a look at the SPY. So SPY gave us a lot of great trades today on the short side. So SPY a little bit closer to its 200-day moving average. Big volume today, but again, they did buy a little bit of the dip there. So let's see if that gets any follow through the upside, right? So let's take a look here on the intraday on SPY. We talked about this earlier, right? A couple major bear flag breakdown right here, another bear flag breakdown right here, and there's a lot of chop into the close. So let's see how that what kind of action we get going into tomorrow on this one. Let's take a look at the S&P futures. So you can see on the S&P futures. We had a couple really nice setups on this one today. So again, those flags there was a nice move at the open, right? Got to our next signal zone, bear flag to the test, the top of that, back down again. Then this one right here was great, right? We had to bring out some Elliott wave on this one, right? Because if this were an impulsive wave right here, we'd want a corrective wave, ABC up, right? Gets you this one here for another nice move down to test the bottom of that signal zone, and then chop in the triangle. Nice little geometric pop out of the triangle, test these tweezer tops right here, back down to the back down for a down move, back up again, another upper shadow up there and down, and now we're just kind of chopping around here into the after hours. So if we go to the MES, the S&P micros, again, same stuff, right? So it's pretty interesting, right? So we've got this geometric line here below, right? And kind of put basically a triangle on this here going into this evening. So we'll see how that holds that going into the rest of the day. Let's take a look at the Qs. See how they behave in here today. So again, same, very, very similar patterns across the board here. 15-word breakdown, a couple bear flags to bring it down a little bit farther. IWM, again, same stuff, right? Bear flag breakdown right here. Still generally pretty weak there. They did try to rally this a little bit harder than some of the other ones, so it's pretty interesting on that one. So Apple, rough day today, right? So also had some news, right, that they were shutting down their Houston store, right? Reclosing their Houston store. So it's kind of old news, but again, just more fuel to the fire on this one. Tesla, again, they had their safety probe based on their touchscreen stuff today. So that got a little bit of a rough action on this one. So, so Tesla had a rough day today, down 40 points. So see how that holds going into tomorrow. Other than that, we had we talked about earlier. We talked about the medical devices were weak this morning before the rest of the market. So these were actually, just sector weakness today that we pointed out on the live stream story. So Medtronic still looking pretty weak here, and daily charts looking really weak. It's breaking out these geometric levels. So that's one to keep an eye on here. And it goes ex-dividend too. So just keep an eye on that one. Win also had a rough day today. So look for this one for either a continuation day tomorrow or a pause day. We'll see if it kind of works its way back up and then gives another opportunity to go short on that one. On the other side, on the flip side of the coin, DKNG kind of hung in there, right? So gave you a nice doji right here, a nice spinning top at the 21 days. So let's see if that starts to work its way up on that one. Zoom, a couple of the Corona names that are strong here. Fresh all-time highs. Took the inside day up a little bit there. A little bit of an upper shadow. And then speaking of upper shadows, our favorite upper shadow maker here is Piton, right? So fresh all-time highs today and a spinning top, kind of finished the day as it's kind of climbing up this fib fan line into the end of the day. And then keep an eye on Guild. With increased cases, Guild might start to try to get another pop here. I like how it held onto the cloud and it's trying to work its way up. It had it's got to get a little bit of work to get over the geo line right here, but let's see if we can kind of break out of there. Maybe it'll get some action tomorrow based on its potential Corona, accelerating a Corona cure or something like that. So something to keep an eye on there. But anyway, guys, good stuff. I hope to see you on the free YouTube live stream later at 9:30 and Eastern time. And I hope everybody has a great rest of your evening. Stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys soon.